Today we're diving into the role of robotics and artificial intelligence, AI, a key area shaping industries and our everyday life. So, what exactly are robots? Robots are machines designed to carry out tasks automatically. They can range from simple, repetitive machines, like those used in manufacturing, to highly advanced systems that learn, adapt, and make decisions using AI, making them smarter and more efficient. But there's an important difference between intelligent and non-intelligent robots. Non-intelligent robots simply follow pre-programmed instructions. Think of assembly line machines that weld car parts or sort packages. They do the same job repeatedly, with high speed and accuracy, but without thinking. Intelligent robots, on the other hand, use AI to analyze data, adapt to changes, and make decisions in real time. These are robots that can navigate unpredictable environments, like autonomous delivery drones or robotic vacuum cleaners that map your home intelligently. Another key concept is robotic process automation, RPA. RPA involves software robots that automate digital tasks like processing invoices, managing customer queries, or handling repetitive data entry. These robots don't always need AI, but when AI is added, they become smarter, capable of learning from patterns and handling more complex decisions. Robotics is everywhere today. Industrial robots in factories improve production efficiency. Service robots assist in healthcare, hospitality, and customer support. Exploration robots operate in extreme environments like space or deep oceans. Domestic robots handle home cleaning, security, and even companionship. The big picture? Robotics and AI together are transforming how work gets done. Faster, safer, and far smarter than ever before, opening up opportunities we couldn't have imagined just a decade ago. Want to learn more about robotics and AI? Check out ctglobal.my. Stay curious and see you next time.